Hi! Thank you for signing up for Jackie Islick's Learn How to Build a Color Trend Board. In this course, you are going to learn the following. How to build a color trend board for the season. Number 1. Determine how many colors you want to launch. Number 2. Research color trend services to see what is trending for the future season. Number 3. Research silhouettes in the high-end marketplace. Number 4. Take photos of items. Number 5. Start placing items in folders. Number 6. Start placing colors in color categories. Number 7. Start building your color trend board presentation. Here we are going to start with determining how many colors you want to launch for the season. The standard industry is between 5 and 8 colors depending on large the collection is. We would break out our core colors or base colors, which were always black, brown, and gray. They were our standard best sellers for apparel and handbags. Then you layered in your fashion trend colors. I recommend to start with 5 key colors, and then as your business grows you can add on more colors. Now we are going to look at an example of selecting your color palette. Study what colors are currently happening in the market. You do this by going to fashion websites and look at their colors they are currently selling online, or you can go into stores. Also, if you have been in business, find out what colors have sold the best in past seasons. Black, brown, and gray are traditionally the best-selling colors in apparel and handbags. So you will start mapping of the 5 colors for the seasons, 2 to 3 core classic colors. Black, gray, brown, white, or olive. The lighter colors are for warmer seasons. Then select your remaining fashion colors for your collection. Here are color trends from Pantone. Pantone is a color trends service that many companies use in fashion and consumer products. For example, the color of the year for 2022 was Very Peri. It's a periwinkle blue hue that is very beautiful. As soon as Pantone launched the new color, many fashion companies also used the color in their collections. I highly recommend doing this. It's very exciting when Pantone launches their new colors. Here are some other color trend services to look at: WGSN, FashionDex, Trend Hunter, Trend Shop, to name a few. Here is a red color trend in silhouettes. The way you create a red trend is by gathering red images from photos you have taken in stores and by pulling images from various websites. Stores don't like it when you photograph their product, so you have to be very discreet and make sure no one is watching you when you shoot photography. I typically walk into the store pretending to shop, and then I'll make sure I'm standing in a good location. You need to take the photo rather quickly so you don't get caught. This takes practice. Here is an example of a color trend report. Notice how we have the base colors placed in there, and then we've added in the new fashion trend colors. You can see the color combinations where you combine all the colors together to show a color bar. This is great to show color ideas for bracelets or scarves. Then you look for images that reflect your color trends. Pretty flowers, fruits, a woman outside wearing something beautiful, and fabric textures. That concludes our presentation. Just to recap, you have learned how to build a color trend board. You want to start out with just 5 colors. 2 or 3 of those colors are your core colors: black, brown, or gray. Then you will layer in your fashion trend colors. You will find these colors using Pantone. You will select 3 or 4 new fashion trend colors for the next season. One of these colors can be Pantone's color of the year. You can start building your color trend report. If you are creating a color board with silhouettes, you will gather shapes, also called silhouettes, from photos you've taken at stores or from photos from websites. Thanks for watching, and check out our other fashion classes by Jackie Islick.